The first moon landing once upon a time, in a world not so long ago, humans dreamed of visiting the moon. This dream finally became a reality on July 20th, 1969. That's when astronauts from the United States landed on the moon in a mission called Apollo 11. The adventure began when a big, shiny rocket named Saturn V blasted off from Earth. It carried 3 brave astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The rocket lifted off with a roar from a place called Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It rose higher and higher until it reached space. Neil, Buzz, and Michael traveled for 4 days through the dark and exciting void of space. The spacecraft was made up of 2 parts, the command module, where Michael stayed, and the lunar module, called Eagle, where Neil and Buzz would land on the moon. Finally, on July 20th, 1969, Neil and Buzz got into the Eagle. Michael stayed in the command module orbiting around the moon, waiting for them to return. The Eagle descended slowly, guided by Neil's careful hands and eyes, as they searched for a safe place to land. The world held its breath as the radio crackled with Neil's voice saying, "The Eagle has landed." Everyone cheered as Neil Armstrong took the first step onto the moon's surface. He said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This meant that even though it was one astronaut taking the step, it was a huge achievement for all people on Earth. Buzz Aldrin joined him shortly, and together they bounced around in the low gravity, collecting rocks and learning about this mysterious place. They even put up a flag of the United States to mark the spot where they landed. Meanwhile, millions of people on Earth watched the moon landing on their television screens. It felt like they were right there on this epic journey. After spending a little more than a day on the moon, Neil and Buzz returned to Michael in the command module, and together they flew back to Earth. When they returned, they were celebrated as heroes. The mission was more than just a fantastic story. It was proof of what humans can achieve when they dream big, work together, and reach for the stars. And so, the story of the first moon landing is told and retold, inspiring new generations to look up at the sky and imagine what adventures await in the universe.